tree rotation right there. That's the manual, that's where it's supposed to be coming. So that pipe with the red on top of it is where it's supposed to be coming into. So nothing is happening there yet. So it's black. This is the root of the problem, no pun intended, but that's what caused the issue right there initially. So that got broken somehow, not sure how, but root got attracted to it and then send out feelers. It's a natural thing to do. Alright. Here's our issue right there. This is a cut off. Leave this so you can see what's coming out. Yep, there we go. Tree root. Can you hear that in the bathroom? It's feeling free. This is tree root right here. Can you see the flow right there? So if we go back to our manual, then we'll see that everything coming out of our pipe. I like it more, but and part of it is gone. Free flow. Can you see the difference? Now the reason why I covered that right there with the cup is there's another piece of tree root that went in the drain pipe there. Didn't want it to come down and block our other drain pipe that goes over into this section of the manual. So did it work? Yep, because here's our next piece of tree root. Right there. Up. It's gonna come back up. That's my stick. There we go. That's the next piece of our tree root. Our problem is over. And this video is out.